up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Dom. So in this video we're going to be doing something special. As you guys know, I do have my own company in the mix. It's not ready to launch yet, but I'm going to be doing an unboxing because my custom lash cases came in. So I'm going to be sharing the experience with you guys and we're going to open them up together. So let me go ahead and grab that box really quick. Boom, we're back. This is the box. Super big. So I had 100 custom cases made. I ordered it maybe about, I don't know, maybe a month ago, maybe 3 weeks, somewhere in there. I did design these myself, but I had a vendor manufacture them for me. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now I got my handy dandy knife here. You know, safety first. Always cut away from the body. So I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna take a look at these together. Well, obviously I don't know how to open a box because, you know. Anyways, there you go. It's a box within a box. Okay. Drum roll, please. Anyways, yes. Wait a minute. Oh, now. Okay. Y'all see those? Of course you can't see it. It's wrapped in bubble wrap. So, let's open this. Ew. These are adorable. Okay. Hold up. Are y'all ready? Tell me those aren't cute. Oh my god. So I had 100 ordered. They gave me 3 extra ones, I guess, for like samples or whatever. I don't know. Check that out. Can we focus in on that, please? Thank you. There we go. Yes. This is me, obviously, when I have my blue hair. Now, I was very skeptical about putting my own face on it. I didn't want to seem conceited, but this picture works so well. Now, I did do a poll a while ago on my social media platforms on whether or not I should do all black or if I should do the black and gold. I ended up going with the black and gold because it was a high contrast. So let me take you through the specifics of the case, right? Okay, so this is the front. Again, this is a picture that I designed. This is a picture of me. You know, I'm a graphic designer, so I'm just like, you know, gotta use my degree somehow. And this is the back. There we go. Super cute. We got the side, of course. The gold glitter. Open it up. Bam. Lush Legacy, boo. Lush Legacy, that's me, yes. So I really love how this came out. I thought this was gonna be a little bit bigger, but let's be real, how big are eyelash cases anyway? So yes. Now we're gonna go ahead and try them out. I already have my lashes here, but I haven't had cases. I've been waiting for a long time. So we're gonna try these out. We're gonna see what these bad boys look like inside. Hold up. Are y'all ready for this though? Drum roll, please, for the second time. Boom. Here we go. Y'all ready? Bam. Ooh! You cannot tell me these ain't nice. These are fire. Like, I'm super excited. I'm super happy for these lashes. They came out freaking amazing. And I'm pretty sure these are gonna fit. Like, I have 2 different style lashes. So these are the normal ones. These are pretty minks, but they're not the super long, super full ones. You know, people wear glasses and some people just don't like these ones. These are my 25mm ones, and these, like, when you look up, they cover your eyebrow. A lot of people don't like those. I do, so I have 2 different styles. So the 25mm, I'm pretty sure will fit because I have a lot of like tray space left. So I'm pretty sure that will work. Now, the logistics. It cost me 200 something to get them, and then shipping was like, I don't know, $70. Not really too thrilled about that, but whatever. I got them, I love them, and they're worth the price. I absolutely love them. So I have a couple of things to get ready. Now I have to go ahead and start doing my labels. I have all the names, I have all my lashes, I have everything. I just have to put everything together. So that's gonna conclude this video. This was a quick, 7-minute video on the unboxing of my lashes. Like, oh my god, like this is really happening. So super excited. Yes, hopefully in the next month, 2 months, I'll be ready to launch. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, don't do nothing I wouldn't do. Ew.